how to add to favorites in Notion. So this is a very easy tutorial. First, you just have to go to the left side and look for the specific template that you wanted to save or project that you wanted to add to your favorites. So let's just say this one. You just have to click this three dots and you will see this add to favorite. And you just have to click this one or tap this one. Once you tap this, there will be an added section for favorites, and you will see here the template or project that you have added to your favorites. If you want to remove this, you just have to tap this three dots again and click remove from favorites. As simple as that. So you can add as many as you can. Again, tap this three dots, add to favorites, look for another template again, tap this three dots, add to favorites. Again, look for another template or project, tap this three dots, go to or tap favorites, add to favorites. Look for the favorite section. You will see all the templates and projects you have added to favorites. Again, if you want to remove, click this three dots, tap remove, and that's it. So that's how easy it is. You just have to look for its specific project or template, tap the three dots, and click add to favorites. So that's it. That's how basically you add favorites or you add to favorites in Notion. If you found this video helpful, please do like and subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon.